Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a script that you can apply on a flat surface to have an interesting light. For example, the right image, you can see an interior space that I applied the script to have a line, a randomized line, and give a material in between the metal and the light. The same thing I applied on architectural facade in the left image, as you can see here. You will find the script in the Telegram channel. So join to have the script and the updates for the next and the future scripts. So let's get started. Okay, so first I prefer that you can the curve side, let's apply bifocals so you can read the components. So the curve, I prefer to pick the curve from the model you have. So because if you change the model, for example, the concrete slab, the script will be applied automatically and adjusted itself. So this curve, after you pick the curve from your model, apply it on the extrude to have the height that you needed. For me, this is the formula for the height. You can see that I'm happy with the 12 and multiply with the number 95 and multiply with 12. Then the B-rip wireframe is to get the the border of the full space that you will apply the random lines. Then I just join the curve. After that, the grid structure that you can get the nodes and the lines. But what we need from this component is the structure lines. Enough, and turn on the second part. Okay, the second part is the random split list that I want to break to break up these lines in a two list or two groups. Why I did that? Because, for example, if you can see in the model, when I just click this geometry and highlight it in the model, you can see it's getting changed. Why? Just to have these lines, the polylines, so we can join and fill it one single polyline that are connected. Okay, the last part, when you get the polylines and split it in two parts, apply it in the fillet. When you fill it, you will see that any polylines are connected, it will be fillet here. Like for example, this is circular, and of course this is changed automatically of depend on this one. 40. So you can play with these two numbers until you get satisfied with the result. So the last component is the mesh pipe. Mesh pipe is from NGon library, and you will find it in the Food for Rhino. I will keep the website in the description so you can download it. This mesh pipe is very helpful that you can convert the curves into geometry. So you can make it in Rhino and control the radius, the sides, number of sides. The number of sides mean, let me show you something, that how side that you want the curve to be as a pipe. For example, in this case, I just make it four sides. One, two, three, four. So you have a rectangle profile and it's follow the curve, extruded along the curve. If you want a round or circular, just increase the the sides to have a smooth edges. Okay, then when you bake it, don't make it as a group, and randomly, as you want, select the model or the lines and apply the material, whatever material you want. Okay, that's for today. See you next one.